Most people think Vaseline is only for removing dryness, but it's actually a secret weapon that helps boost your attractiveness. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Vaseline hacks that will completely upgrade your appearance, smell, and feel. And I promise you, if you watch this video all the way through, you won't need to spend money on any expensive products. Everyone wants to smell good, but the perfume you buy only lasts a few hours. But if you turn your Vaseline itself into a fragrance, you can smell good all day long. Let me tell you how. First, heat up 1 liter of water, then put the jar of Vaseline into it and let it melt properly. Once melted, let it cool down a bit. After that, take your favorite perfume and spray it into the melted Vaseline. Remember, the more you spray, the stronger the smell will be. After doing all this, leave it in the fridge for 3 hours, and once it solidifies, take it out of the fridge. Now your own long-lasting portable fragrance is ready. Instead of applying perfume, apply this fragranced Vaseline on your neck, wrists, and collarbone, and you'll see how fresh and new you feel all day long. Often after staying up late studying or on the phone, we look a bit tired. The biggest sign of this is dark circles. It makes us look a little tired, stressed, and unwell. Nowadays, a lot of people struggle with this problem. But the good news is there's a simple and effective solution you can do during your night's sleep. Vaseline can be used at night to fix dark circles and tired-looking skin. It hydrates your skin, locks in moisture, and helps the skin heal. This process gives your skin a natural glow overnight. Before bed, take a small amount of Vaseline and apply it under your eyes where the dark circles are and around your cheekbones. Not too much, just a thin layer, which hydrates the delicate skin under the eyes and locks in moisture. While you're sleeping, it heals your skin and makes it look a bit brighter. And in the morning when you wake up, wash your face with cold water. Cold water improves blood circulation in your skin and reduces puffiness. When you follow this routine, you'll notice the skin under your eyes looking smoother and brighter. If you want your dry, cracked lips to heal and become soft and healthy, this is the easiest and most effective way. Vaseline keeps your lips soft and hydrated and helps heal cracked lips. It works just like a lip balm, but in a much cheaper and more natural way. You just need 3 things: Vaseline, coconut oil, and a brush. Now listen carefully. First, dip your toothbrush in coconut oil and gently rub it on your lips for 20 seconds. This will remove the dead skin from your lips and increase blood circulation. After that, take a little Vaseline and apply it on your lips, which will keep them hydrated and soft. This method hydrates and heals the lips at the same time, and by morning, naturally gives your lips a healthy tone. This not only makes your lips look good, but also makes your face look balanced and fresh. If your hair is frizzy and you feel like it's not setting properly, take a little Vaseline, rub it in your hands, and apply it to your hair. You'll see your hair become shiny and smooth. This is perfect for when you don't want heavy styling products. But keep in mind, don't apply too much, or else you'll end up looking like you haven't showered in 10 days. Look closely at these 2 images and tell me what's different about their appearance. Maybe some of you guessed correctly, it's the eyebrows. Believe it or not, eyebrows can change your appearance quite a bit. Thick eyebrows make your face look more masculine, while thin eyebrows make you look less attractive. So take a little Vaseline, rub it between your fingers, and apply it to your eyebrows in the direction of hair growth. This will naturally create thick eyebrows without any eyebrow pencil and give you an attractive look. So you see, friends, with just 1 simple jar of Vaseline, you can improve your appearance without any expensive grooming routine. Now that you know what to do, go buy a Vaseline and make sure to follow these steps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.